Hey guys, we are going to put our final paper together today. So I want you to go to Google Classroom, right? And I want you to open up a couple of tabs to make this happen. So our paper is kind of spread out among several places, and we need to get this paper all together on the same page, okay? And since some of you are in various places with this paper, I thought it would just be easier if you could do this at your own pace and you could watch this video while you did it. So the place we're going to put the paper is on the final research paper, okay? So if you go to classwork tab and then you click on that, you're going to see, right, these topics come up, and it's always under writing and research, right, for anything related to our paper. So you're going to click open the final research paper, okay, and that's where you're going to put all the pieces of your paper. Okay, so if you open that up, right, this is where your paper is going to go, and it was just a blank document. Okay, I didn't put anything on it. Now, what you should have on this right now is you should have your introduction. Okay, your introduction has three parts. It has your attention getter, okay, which the one I showed you how to do was an anecdote. If you decided to do something different, that's okay. Right? It had your background information, which was information about the week. By the way, those looked great. All right. And then the last part of your introduction was your claim. Okay. And that you should have just added today. And that's the thing that says Northdale should or should not participate in the week because. Because why? What are your reasons? Okay. So that is your very first paragraph is your introduction. Okay. And you should have written it on this paper. Okay. I didn't have you put it any different place. So check to make sure that you have these three things. For sure, you need your claim. Okay, otherwise, if I read that paper or anybody reads your paper, they are not even going to know what side you are arguing for, are going to be majorly confuzzled. Okay. All right, if you need to stop this video right now to fix something in your introduction, do that. If you are sure that you have all of those things, all right, keep listening. All right, the next thing that you're going to do, right, is you're going to go back and you're going to go to your body paragraph. Okay, you're either body paragraph con or body paragraph pro. Okay, so either one, not both, obviously, you didn't write both. You will click on the one that you are. Okay, so if you were the body paragraph pro, right, let's just say you were, you will open that up. All right, and you will copy paste what you have in there. Right, so a copy paste, right, is you highlight what you've got. Right, I don't have anything because I didn't write the paper. Highlight what you have and Control C. Then hop back over to your final research paper. Click there under your introduction, and do Control V. Okay. Ooh, must have had something in there. So this would be your body paragraph, either side, okay, under your introduction. Your body paragraph should have your own writing. Okay? It should have your own writing, your own paraphrasing, a lot of it from you. Okay? So it should have your own writing. It should have a quote from your research that starts with according to the text. Right? It should have a good quote that matches your writing. And then it should have a concluding sentence. It's like, yes, this is why I'm still right. Right? Check to be sure that you have that. Make sure that you have a good chunk of your own writing. Make sure that you have according to the text. Make sure you have a good quote that matches it with quotation marks, right? Two sets, right? And then a strong concluding sentence. That's also by you. Right? If you need to fix something in here, like you don't have a good concluding sentence yet, all right, stop the video, pause it, and fix that. Add that. Okay, if you need to fix something in there, do that now. All right, if you're ready to proceed, keep listening. All right, go back to Google Classroom, right? And this time you're going to go to your counter argument and rebuttal. Okay, so, oh, I was on the pro side. So I'm going to open up my counter argument and rebuttal. I'm going to open that. Okay. I'm going to look and see what I had in there. Oh, okay. Here's what I had. All right. So I'm going to copy paste this whole thing. Same way. Make sure you get the but part, right? Do your Control C. Go back to that final research paper, right? Because you're putting it all there. Do Control V. Now you're under the body paragraph. Right, this is the third paragraph. Do Control V. Whew. Now see how my font is all wonky? You can fix it now, but you can always fix it later too. Right? Eventually you'll want all this font to match. Some people hate that and need to fix it right away. Some people are like, it's fine. All right. Now make sure in your counterclaim and rebuttal, okay, you have your own writing here, right? This is what the other side says, okay? Have you summarized the other side? Yeah, say, yep, there's my opponent. I know they're there. I know that. And this is what they say. Okay. And here in the but section, oh, make sure you did not forget that but. All right. But now here is where you again say your piece, but I know that and I'm still pretty sure that I still believe this because, right? Then you are going to add the evidence that makes you feel like you're still right. So you're going to have your own writing here, the summary of the other side. You're going to have your own writing here, evidence. So you say according to the text, or the video if you used a video. Right? Give your quote, right? And then you also put a concluding sentence. Always got to end it with your own words, right? Kind of saying why that quote proves you right, right? And then you are done with that spot, okay? Right? And that is how far you are. Then the last thing we need to do on this is to write a conclusion, okay? And that is something we will talk about together, all right? Okay. All right, good job, guys.